Hello students, today I want to share a few things on Shivaji Jayanti. Everyone knows Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. People sing songs and poems in his honor. People garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 in Shivneri Fort. He was named after the goddess Shivai, to whom his mother Jijabai prayed for son. Shivaji Maharaj was the creator of the Maratha kingdom. Shivaji Maharaj is considered the great Maratha ruler who carved an enclave from the declining Adilshahi of Bijapur that became the start of the Maratha Empire. At the age of 16, Shivaji Maharaj sieged the Torna fort, and by the age of 17 had sieged the Raigad and Kundana forts. The coronation took place at Raigad fort in 1674. Shivaji Maharaj is not only a hero for people of Maharashtra but also for the rest of India. His military prowess and guerrilla tactics of warfare are considered of great importance in Indian history. Shivaji Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone. He belonged to the whole Indian nation. He was not an ambitious ruler, anxious to establish a kingdom for himself, but a patriot inspired by a vision and political ideas derived from the teaching of the ancient philosophers. He studied the merits and faults of the system of administration in kingdom existing at the time and determined his own policies and administration in the light of that knowledge. Shivaji Maharaj was as large-hearted and generous as he was brave. In the process of winning Swaraj, he collected around him persons belonging to all communities and appointed them to administrative posts. In doing this, he took into account a man's ability and not his religion or caste. There were many Kolis, Bhandaris, Muslims, Marathas, Brahmins in his navy. Nur Beg was one of the commanders in his infantry. He was model son, a cautious leader, a skilled organizer, a benevolent administrator, a clever military strategist, a great warrior. Shivaji Maharaj is a symbol of many virtues, more especially of love of country. The Jayanti of the great emperor was first started in Pune 1870 by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, who had discovered the tomb of Shivaji Maharaj on Raigad. Shivaji Jayanti had a vital role during India's freedom struggle. Bal Gangadhar Tilak used the occasion on united people during British operation. Till date, the Jayanti is celebrated with much fanfare. Thank you, children.